The emotions thrown into the mix after a breakup vary from confusion, heartbreak, grief, and sometimes relief. Whether it was for the best or not, a change like this means picking up the pieces in your life and carrying on, which many of us find hard. Hi, I'm Michael Taylor, certified relationship coach and NLP practitioner from Achieve Personal Coaching, and this is the Breakup Brit channel, Britain's heartbreak hospital. If you're new here, help me out and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to help me reach more people just like you. How do you get back to you after a breakup and start to feel positive again? Your transformation can be guided by me with my Reset Restart program, and all my details to contact me are down there in the description. It's the fastest and most accountable way for you to get from A to B. What I've experienced and seen as a relationship coach over the past few years is that the best way to recovery is to keep up with a routine. Whether this includes new activities or familiar ones, it is without doubt the best way to keep you level-headed. And this includes a decent sleep pattern, clocking in the right amount of hours of rest at night to help you chill, avoid screens and your phones, and maybe just pick up a good book. A self-help, self-improvement type book, I would say, is best to give you motivation, to encourage you on your road to success in your goals for going forward and getting back to you. Writing is also helpful to plan your next steps, and it's also helpful for acknowledging how you are feeling. Maybe it's a feeling of rejection or fear. Whatever it is for you, don't be embarrassed to own your feelings, and certainly don't ignore them. Part of the Getting Back to You plan is self-exploration. Adventure and accomplishments happen best when you lean into your fear. And now on your solo mission, it's a perfect time to explore all the things that you perhaps couldn't do when you were in your relationship. All those things that you may have put on the back burner, or just simply because of your relationship, these things were just difficult for you to do. Be patient with your recovery and allow yourself to recognize the negative waves that no doubt will crop up from time to time. It's all part of the healing process. So don't suppress any pain that you may feel and show some self-compassion. This also goes for your happiness and joyful things that happen. Make sure you embrace them. No situation or breakup is the same, so targets and timetables are not something that you want to be focusing on. Giving yourself dates to get back to your old self is an impossibility and too much pressure to put on your shoulders. So this is not something to consider. Do it your way, adapting it to your level of comfort, but also be prepared to stretch yourself from time to time out of your comfort zone and push yourself every now and then. Remember, every day that passes gets you a step closer to the old you and the transformation that you're seeking in your life and wanting to achieve. Simple steps to get back to you. If this is helpful, please like the video, and don't forget, just a reminder to subscribe also to the channel. And as mentioned before, the notification bell will get you alerted to any new content that I upload in the future. Consider my one-to-one coaching, and as I said earlier on in this video, the contact details for me are all down there in the description, and I'll welcome any comments or experiences that you may have had. Send them my way and add them down there also in the comments section for others to see, and I'll reply back to as many as possible. But for now, this is Michael Taylor signing out of the Breakup Brit channel, And all it leaves me to say is I'll see you next time. So I wish you peace and happiness.